Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Redwan Mullah. I am a student of Daffodil International University, uh, Department of Civil Engineering. I completed my SSC from Katgora High School and College in 2020, and I am completing my SSC from Jirawadayani College in 2022. I am expert in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Python, AutoCAD, and 2D, 3D. I am also expert in 4 languages: Bangla, English, Hindi, and Urdu. Being a civil engineer is my long-time career goal. I am also want to stay a long time civil engineering related work. I am a good editor at graphics design. Now I am working at Civil Engineering Club at Daffodil International University. In my leisure time, I watch movies, editing videos, gaming, and also reading books. In my childhood, I have a strong attraction to know about building design and structural design. That's why I chose uh, civil engineering at Daffodil International University. I believe that it's my perfect choice for me. Beyond my academic purpose, I have a strong passion about sports. I have played cricket, football, badminton, e-sports, and etc. Thank you everyone for watching my video.